Hello viewers, my name is Dr. Bharatvyas Marla. I am a consultant physician and specialist in cardiodiabetology at the Meditest Hospital, Parklands, Nairobi. Today, we shall be discussing which oils can people with diabetes use in cooking. Cooking oils are the fat that affect your blood sugar, your cholesterol and your heart health. It is very important to use those oils which will promote your health, especially regarding the heart, and also keep your blood sugar levels in check. Before we proceed further, it is better we understand the types of cholesterol that are there in our body. The cholesterol can be divided into total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, VLDL cholesterol, triglycerides and HDL cholesterol. LDL cholesterol, VLDL cholesterol, triglycerides and total cholesterol affect your health adversely. HDL cholesterol is a good type of cholesterol which will promote your heart's health and also the blood vessels health. Oils contain various types of fat such as monounsaturated, polyunsaturated, saturated and trans fat. Saturated fat and trans fat are bad for your health, whereas monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats promote your health. Saturated fat and trans fat increase the LDL cholesterol in our blood and they increase the risk for heart attack and stroke. Monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats decrease all the kinds of bad cholesterol in your blood and also increase HDL in your blood and they promote your health. According to American Diabetes Association, you should limit your saturated fat to less than 10% of total kilocalories that you consume in a day. You should also avoid as much trans fat as possible. You should also have more and more of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats as your daily needs. Before we proceed further, we have to understand the concept of smoke point. Smoke point is the temperature at which the oil starts catching fire and produces smoke. When an oil reaches the smoke point, it loses its nutritional value and starts producing harmful compounds which adversely affect your health. Therefore, for high heat cooking methods such as frying, you should select the oils which have a high smoke point. For low heat cooking techniques such as baking and drizzling, you can choose an oil with low smoke point. Oils have different flavors that can improve or alter the taste of your food. Oils that are milder in nature can be used with many dishes, whereas oils with stronger flavors and odors add a distinctive flavor to your food. So you can use the oils according to your taste. Based on the previous factors that we discussed, the following are some of the best cooking oils for people with diabetes. Sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil is a plant-based oil which is extracted from the sesame seeds. Sesame seed oil is rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids and also antioxidants which promote the health of your blood vessels and the heart. The antioxidants in the sesame seed oil also reduce oxidative stress and prevent early arteriosclerosis. Sesame seed oil also contains sesamine and sesamol which will reduce your blood pressure and the levels of cholesterol. Sesame seed oil has a medium to high smoke point of 177 degrees centigrade which is suitable for stir frying or frying. It also has a nutty and baked taste which is good for many of the stir fried dishes. Rice bran oil. Rice bran oil is also a plant-based oil that is extracted from the outer layers of the rice grain. Rice bran oil contains antioxidants and healthy fats that protect your heart and also lower your blood sugar levels. Rice bran oil also contains gamma oryzanol which reduces cholesterol absorption and increases bile acid excretion. Rice bran oil also has a high smoke point of 254 degrees centigrade which is perfect for frying. It also has a neutral taste which can complete any dish. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the most popular healthy oils for cooking. Olive oil contains monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants which can protect your heart and decrease your blood sugar. Olive oil has a medium to high smoke point of 190 degrees centigrade, which is perfect for low heat cooking methods. Olive oil also has a fruitful and nutty flavor which enhances the taste of salads, soups, pasta, meat and vegetables. You can use cold pressed extra virgin olive oil for salads and low heat dishes, whereas the simple olive oil can be used for high heat dishes. Canola oil. Canola oil is also a plant-based oil that is derived from rapeseed plant. Canola oil is rich in alpha-linolenic acid, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acids which reduces inflammation and also increases insulin sensitivity. Canola oil also contains monounsaturated fatty acids which lower your bad cholesterol and promote your good cholesterol and improve your overall health. Canola oil has a high smoke point of 204 degrees centigrade, which is best for high heat cooking methods such as frying. It also has a neutral taste which suits to any dish that you cook. Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is also a plant-based oil that is derived from flax seeds. Flaxseed oil is one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids which reduce inflammation and also prevent clotting. Flaxseed oil also contains lignans, which are the phytochemicals which modulate hormone levels and lower the blood pressure. Flaxseed oil has a low smoke point of 107 degrees centigrade, which means that it should not be used for cooking at all. Instead, it can be used as a dressing for salads and as a sprinkler for soups and smoothies. Flaxseed oil has a earthy and nutty taste that adds depth to some of your dishes. These are some of the best oils for people with diabetes, but these are not only the ones. You can also use other oils which are the sources of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids such as almond oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil and walnut oil. However, you should always use oils in moderation and you should avoid oils that contain saturated fat and trans fat such as palm oil, butter and margarine. Keep in mind that oils are not only the source of fat in your diet. You should also include in your diet other foods that contain healthy fatty acids such as nuts, fish, eggs, cheese, yogurt and tofu. A balanced diet is that diet which contains more of healthy fatty acids, less of unhealthy fatty acids that can decrease your blood sugar and improves your overall health.